Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to change the time or turn the automatic time and daylight savings time on and off on a 2022 Honda Civic. So basically we're going to start with pressing the little button, as long as you got the key close to you. Press it one more time, hold. So the car has not started. Go back to the screen, go menu. Turn the knob, down to clock settings, press. Okay, right now the automatic time is on. If you didn't want the automatic time setting to be on and you wanted to do it yourself, I pressed it and then turned the knob and I turned the automatic time setting off so that way you can actually do it manually if you wanted to, but I'm not sure why anyone would want to. But this is how you turn the time clock setting on or off, and then you can also come down here for daylight savings time to automatically change on or off right here. Now if I wanted to set the time myself, scroll down, press the button, set time, move the knob, and then there you go. Right now I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to switch back, put everything back to automatic on, turn, press, automatic time, press the button, turn, press. And that is how you change the time and daylight savings in a 2022 Honda Civic.